Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate these minimalist rainbow heart nails for Pride Month. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Use striping tape to section off a thin vertical line in the center of your nail. Fill the middle section in with white polish and then immediately remove the striping tape. When the white polish is dry, top coat the nail. Place striping tape on either side of the white line and then paint around it with liquid latex. Make a rainbow gradient on a makeup sponge with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple polishes. Dab it onto the nail until it's opaque and then remove the liquid latex and the striping tape. Use white polish to make the outline of a heart in the center of the nail. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy Pride Month!